going on YouTube? Arash here, and then welcome back to my channel. Today we have Benz c63 AMG here. I'm going to do the full wrap. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the side mirror, which is including the door trim. Before I start, please subscribe the channel, turn on the notification. When I'm uploading a new video, you will get notified and then come watching it. And if you are interested to learn how to wrap for the beginner from the A to Z, please contact me through the Instagram, or you can email me. You can find my email through my description. I will give you all the info. Let's get into it. For remove the door trim, first, if you see here, it has the one plastic cover. Underneath it has the one bolt, and then another hole here under the armrest. So I believe size gonna be torque 20 or 25. Let's figure it out which size is it. So with something like this, has the hook, you can remove that one. So yeah, I think it's 25 for sure. 25 or 30? Yes, 30. So two bolt size 30, a star shape. Remove one, and then remove another one. I believe it's only two. I worked on this car like 2 years ago, so as I remember, it was two. Okay. And then all around this trim, it's holding by the plastic key. You can just pop it. You need something like this. Here it has the one really big plastic. That one is a little bit hard to get rid of it. I think it got released. Yeah, that is the Mercedes. Once, always, everything special. And then remove the some connectors, and then last one. Also two at the bottom. Okay, if you see, I'm talking about this one. This one is a little bit tricky, but it's gonna go through here. Here, for the remove the side mirror, it has the 3 bolt size 8mm socket. I hope I can show you. Yes, one is there, and then 2 gonna be under this sticker. Yes, one is there, and then another one. So to remove that one, make it sure you use the tools has the magnet, so you're not going to drop the bolt. And then when you are going to the last bolt with the one hand, or if you have someone to help at your shop, holding the mirror for you. Before removing the bolt to take the side mirror off, first you have to disconnect the harness for the mirror, which is, it has the 2 connector, one black, one white, and then don't worry for putting back because each one has in the white and then black sticker, so you're not going to put it in the wrong way. And then two other one is here. Okay, I'm not sure about that white one, but they are going together, that's why I'm remove it. And then it has the, yeah, they are together. So you need something like the shoelace or the long zip tie, tied it to the one of those. So after your job finish, when you want to put the side mirror back, so you don't need to get in the hard time to fishing this line through that hole and then coming down. It's going to help you a lot. Shoelace is best way. And then now we are going to remove the bolt. Actually, okay, one thing I have to mention, window should be down because this one it's easy to get, but those two, when the window is up, it's behind the window, so we need to put the window down. First remove that one and then put the window down. Yes, like this. Yeah. Okay. So now, easy to get the two others. Fully came out. Okay, second one, and then now I'm gonna go for the last one. At the same time, I'm gonna hold the mirror with my other hand. If you have someone to help you, it's going to be perfect. That rubber gonna be a little bit pain to coming out. It has the one pipe here, the cable is coming down from there. So let me try other way. A little bit with your hand from here, help the that one to go up. Take your time, be patient, and then slowly. Working alone. Okay. And then maybe having the long zip tie, because if while we are going to put the mirror back, if you go other side of the window, when the window going up and down, it's gonna cut the cable. So I have to find a way. Okay. Like this. Let me check it again. Yes, it's this side of the window. So it's going to be good now. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this zip tie like this here. And later when my job done, I can use it to put the mirror back. That's why I say always watch the video until the end. So this was really important tip, and you guys saw it, what happened in the middle. Guys, this is the way you can remove the side mirror of the Benz C63 coupe or convertible. It's not working for the sedan, that's the different story, and then it's gonna be much easier. So also door trim, at the beginning of the video I showed to you how to remove it, and that's all. I hope you guys using it, and if you have any question, comment below, I will answer myself. And also again, if you are interested for the wrap class, wrap online course, I made the 15 video from the A to Z, from the cleaning until end, like the bumper and everything is included in 15 video. So you can get it and then started to watch at home, and then practice and became rapper, or at least wrap your own car. So I forgot what I want to say. Okay, if you want to get the info about it, just DM me through the Instagram. I'm gonna put the my ID here. I have 2 Instagram page. You can text me at the both, or also email me. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and I'm gonna come back soon. See you guys, take care, bye bye.